Woo! Holy monkey. It's been chilly as fuck out here. We hit 25 below again in March on the Kenai Peninsula in Alaska. Son of a monkey. That is crazy. It's a little icy cold out today. Just hanging out around the teepee. Where's the teepee? Oh, the teepee's over there. Teepee. Teepee. There you go. It's nice in the sun. Turn this around. You're like, what up? Who going down the trail? Yeah, people down. Anyways, I lost another fucking motor mount. Son of a monkey. Got the Spirit though. Yeah, Spirit. Yeah, it's Spirit 440. I know I've done a bunch of videos about this fucking cracker ass shit. But yeah, this is 2012 RMK Pro chassis. Just with an old late 70s Arctic Cat 440 fan cool in it. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, it like rattles the motor mounts out there like no tomorrow. Frank, son of a bitch, got the cog all stripped out on that, so I got to start that with a strap around the clutch. Plus clutching issues, I got to clean that up and probably do another. Just replace the clutch spring on it and screw it. And just polish everything up. Yeah. Yeah, little birdies over here. They're all enjoying some bacon grease. Yeah, I pour that out for them every once in a while. Can't wait to build off of this some more. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, what? There's so much snow. We had blizzard conditions, and the way I parked in a big cover on there, the whole motors were all just covered in snow. There's still a bunch of snow in them. Oh, now I'm blocking the solar panel. Woohoo! Yeah, it's still reading that we're not cold yet. So, yeah, it's like, yeah, buddy. Little 100-watt panel out here. I gotta go pick up the wife here in a little bit. Just enjoying myself thoroughly in the AK, you know, out here. All the fucking toys and shit, you know, just all over the place. What up? What was that saying? It's like God or the wife or something like you got 5 sleds, so then, you know, God said you can have 8, so 10 it is. Salty Alaska Rambo out.